Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to Grumpus on Fire. I'm Grumpus. I just want to take a few minutes to talk about a video I saw yesterday. Chris and Amber Goodlander up at Lone Star Grillz is holding a raffle on a 24-inch cabinet smoker. It's about a $3,000 smoker. They're raffling off tickets for $25. One of their employees, Hugo, has been with them somewhere around 12 years. Just recently found out his wife has stage 4 cancer, and they're trying to raise a little money to help them in their get through this. They've got 4 children. Look like they're very small. Now I don't know Hugo. I can kind of imagine maybe he's the one that built my awesome pit. Took the extra effort, and I'm going to try to do my part and see if I can pay it back a little bit. So the raffle is $25 a ticket. I believe it's 5 tickets for $100. I'm going to leave links down below to the website where you can donate, or you can go into their showroom and purchase them right there at the counter if you'd like. But I think this is just an awesome gesture that Lone Star Grillz is making to one of their employees. As someone who works at a small company, you get employees, a handful of employees that have been around a long time. They become family. And this is Lone Star's family. And as a barbecue community, YouTube community, even a Lone Star Grillz community, when one of our own is hurting, we need to try to do what we can to reach out and give them our support. So, sounds like you're going to have a rough road ahead of them. Think about him, his wife, and especially think about these small children. They have to go through this in their way also. So, do what you can to help. I'm sure it'd be appreciated. If you can't help monetarily, just spread the word around. Tell your family, tell your friends, tell your church. I'm sure prayers will be very appreciated. So anyway, I'll leave the links below. 25 bucks, that's a pretty cheap way to maybe win a $3,000 smoker. So good luck to everyone. We'll see how this turns out. They have all the details in the website. I think the drawings, if I remember right, it's going to be like the 24th of this month. So you got a little bit of time, but not a lot of time. So do what you can, and I'm sure everybody in the barbecue community can pull together and help this family out. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.